Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with navigation, enhanced automatic emergency braking, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, garage door transmitter, heated and ventilated driver and front passenger seats, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, theft deterrent system, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, rain sensitive windshield wipers, cross traffic alert, and has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.